Welcome back, guys. So we start by chopping our potatoes and cutting them into small pieces like this. Next up, on low heat, we steam up our potatoes and add about half a cup of water and let it simmer or steam for a while. So we'll blend our chilies. I have a number. Then you add a bit of water, then you'll filter it and get the juice from it. Next up, you pour about a cup of flour in the jar. Then you will now add your water, just a bit of it. Mix that up. Then you follow it up with our mixture, the chili mixture that we had extracted earlier. After that, we'll go in with our food color. Make sure it's egg yellow food color. Then we mix that up well, add in our salt later on, and our mixture will be ready so that we can follow it up with our dania. Our mixture is ready. That should be the thickness of our paste. On the other side, about 10 minutes later, our potatoes are ready. You can check them with a spoon. Don't let them overcook. They should be a little bit hard, but still good to go. So now you put in your tomatoes into the paste. Mix that up well, soak them well, coat each potato with the paste that we'd made. Then now you'll put it in our oil when it's hot. This stage now we'll cook them and make sure we get a hard coating on the potatoes. Then they'll have been ready. So this will take about 10 minutes for each ton of potatoes that you put into your oil. 5 minutes later, our potatoes have been coated, but they are still not yet ready. But you can check how yellow they are becoming and how nice they look right now. So give it 5 more minutes and they will be well and ready to go. Finally, we have the perfect result. Our Viazi Karai are ready, and I am telling you, these are the sweetest that you'll find outside there. Try this recipe, cook for your loved ones, and give it a thumbs up and tell me what you found out of it and how good they taste. I'll see you on the next video. Guys, that's all. Try this recipe, try this quick snack, and tell me what you think in the comment section. Bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to add some chili on top of this. You will love it.